Hi guys, Sean's in the house. Today I'm going to show you guys how to solve a Rubik's Cube. Okay? So I'm just going to show you this trick really quickly. If you're wondering why I'm a scratcher because Gus scratched me, I'm just going to show you a really cool trick that you can solve the cube. So make the green face you. You're going to go like this. Up, like that. So you have yellow, green, and then you're going to turn it. You're just going to keep going like that. See, then like that, you're going to go up, that, turn. Just keep doing that. I know you guys probably don't believe me, but it actually does work. See, look, it's back to it. It's so cool. And yeah, so now guys, I'm just going to scramble this thing up. Okay. So it's almost up. So step one. Want to find the white piece? You're going to want to get the edge pieces. Make the white cross. That and that. Okay? Gus wants to solve it. Let's see, Gus is there. Right, Gus? Okay. So, so we find these edge pieces. So this white edge piece has an orange on it. So find the orange middle. I'm going to go like that. So now you can see this white like that. There's the white, there's the orange. Like that. Okay? Then you want to do that with every edge piece. Okay? Ow, stop scratching me, little potato. He's scratching me. What, Gus? What? Okay, get that there. And now, okay, you can sit here. Okay. You want to be in the video? Okay. So, last edge piece. You guys is that. So it must be good there. So now you can see there's an orange there, blue there, red there, and then green there. So it's just a cross, and it looks like this. Okay? Then we want to fill in the corners. So say I have a white here, and it has a blue there. You want to find the blue face. See, now I put that. There's the white and there's the blue. We're going to want to go down, like that, and that. And now the corner is there. And you see now there's a little blue. One sec. Okay, here we go. Now we have this, and now you can see there's red there, and there's blue there. So, now let me find the other white. This white has a green, so I'll find the green face. Oh, it's already on it, because there's the green. You're going to want to go down, like that, and that, and now you have that. So you want to go ahead and do that with every other one, okay? Okay, now you have T's. Red T, green T, orange T, and a blue T. Now you want to do the middle layer, the second layer. So this is an algorithm for this. So, you see this blue has a yellow there, it's not going to, you see this blue has a yellow there, it's not going to go in any of these slots because there's no yellow color on those things. So the opposite of white is yellow. It's just the bottom, top. So we find this orange, it has a green on it, you can see it has a green on it, and you're going to find the orange side, you see this orange there is a green, so find the green side, the green's right there, so you want to get this to there. And the algorithm for that is U, R, U, I, R, I, U, I, F, I, U, and F. Now you have the white, the orange is there, and the green, okay? And now you're just want to keep doing that until you, now I'll tell you the other algorithm to get it to the other side. So find the orange piece, you're going to want to go U-I, L-I, U, L, U, F, U-I, F-I. Now the orange is there. Now go ahead and do that with every other one. Okay, got it? So I'm going to go ahead and do that for you. almost there, guys. Just gotta get this last green piece. Yeah. Josh just playing with it. Now that we have each middle layer is solved, see, green, we have these, and these. Now we want to solve the yellow. So first we want to get the yellow cross, and then we can solve it. Gus is just being really funny. Right, Gussie? So, there's a bunch of ways. So, first, if you don't have any of this L, you see there's an L here. There's an L. Boom, boom. You're going to want to do this algorithm. It's the same if you just have the dot. It's the same algorithm. So you're going to want to hold it. Like, say I'm sitting here. This is the cube I see. I see the L. It's right here. Boom, boom. You're going to hold it like this. You're going to want to do this algorithm. Yeah. So F, U, R, U, I, R, I, and let's see, F. Okay? And then you should have that. Okay? And then you should have the yellow cross. I'm just gonna go ahead and get the yellow cross, and I'll show you the algorithm for the yellow cross in 1 sec. Okay? Okay, so say you don't have the cross, you have just the dot. You want to do this algorithm: F, U, R, U, I, R, I, F, I. So now you have the L. See? It's going to be the same algorithm. You're going to want to hold it. The L is. Wait, go again. The L is. I'm going to do this algorithm. F, U, R, U, I, R, I, and F, I. It should be the same. Now, once you have the 3 claws, it's going to be F, R, U, R, I, U, I, and F, I. Okay? I'm going to go ahead and then you should get the cross after you do that step. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and do that, okay? Almost got it. Just looking at Gus. Now once you have the cross, you're going to do, hi Gus, hi, see you. So now you're going to want to do this algorithm. So, once you have this, the cross, you're going to want to, so you have this yellow piece here. You're going to want to make the yellow piece face U, and you want to do R, U, R, I, U, R, U, U, R, I. And you'll have that. Then you want to hold it like this, facing up. You want to do R, U, R, I, U, R, U, U, R, I. And then you have like a bow tie. Okay. Now you're going to do the same thing. 1 to 2 or 3 times. Okay? R, U, R, I, U, R, U, U, R, I. Okay? I'm going to go ahead and do that 2 or 3 times. Okay? And I'll be back. Okay, now that you have yellow and white solved, now, happy little boy. Okay, now you're going to want to try to get, if you're lucky, you might already have these two solved. These two, you might already have. So, for example, I have this orange, but you want to do that with every color. So the algorithm for that will be R-I, F, R-I, B, B, R, F-I, R-I, B, B, R, R, and U-I. Now I have the blue there. You want to do that one more time until you have this. Okay, let me do that really quick. So, R-I, F, R-I, B, B, R, F-I, R-I, B, B, R, R, U-I. Almost there. I'm gonna do one. Now you have this. If this is already solved, you're going to want to hold this facing where you're looking. See, I'm looking over there where I'm pointing. So you're going to make the orange face where you're facing. And then you're going to want to do this algorithm. You're either going to do clockwise or counterclockwise. I'm going to tell you that I'm doing clockwise. Clockwise. And I'm going to tell you what the algorithm is for counterclockwise. So for clockwise, it's F, F, U, L, R, I, F, 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 L, I, R, U, F, F. And once you get rid of that, so you should have the cube solved. I'm just gonna do that one more time, but I'll tell you what the is for counterclockwise. Okay? See, the orange is facing that way. F, F, U, L, R, F, F, R. Now that the cube is solved. Now you solve the Rubik's Cube. And the algorithm for counterclockwise is F, F, U, I, L, R, I, F, F, L, I, R, U, I, F, F. And then you should have the cube solved. Remember I taught you that cool trick? I'm going to do that. So boom, boom. I have that. I'm going to go like that. Keep doing that. And now the cube is back. It's really cool. You can just trick your friends and be like, yo, I'm not lying. It actually works. See? It's cool. So, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And leave a like and subscribe. Remember, Sean's out of the house.